Hey everyone, so today we're going to talk about one of my favorite collections to talk about. You guys get to see me salivate over it all the time. It makes me not even able to talk and concentrate. Oh boy. Let's take a look at the frame known as Le Dude. Not to be confused with The Dude by Varney, but this is a little bit more special. So let's take a look at this gorgeous twist on a classic Aviator with a little Swedish touch. But of course, first, if you're new to the channel and would do me a favor, I would highly appreciate if you would like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to stay up to date on the latest videos we've got posted. We go through all sorts of cool sunglasses and glasses reviews, as well as the different lens technology and frame fitment and all sorts of things related to these guys that I wear on our faces, because I want you to enjoy it. It's the fun part. Now then, we're going to try this a little bit differently today. Not hugely so, but I'm trying new things. Anyways, now what we're going to talk about is, of course, Le Dude by Anna-Karin Karlsson. We'll do a few little pans over the frame and check it out. What I want to get into on this one is just the absolute incredible attention to detail, which my camera is not cooperating with today, but that's okay. I've got other footage we'll put in there. And you can see just nice, classy, simple, elegant tones. Love what she's done with this one, where it's not that traditional Aviator that droops down on the front, but it pulls outwards a little bit, kind of like an upside down cat eye, which I find funny because Gucci has now actually made the upside down cat eye. Doesn't look as cool as these. It's interesting and eye-catching, and at the very least, I'll give them that it gave them a very cool conversation piece. But it does not really hold a candle to something like this. All handcrafted in Japan, made in titanium. Incredible attention to detail on these. As with always, got the nice ergonomic tip at the back. Feels great over the ears, regardless of the face this is going on. It's going to have a nice fit and feel, especially when properly adjusted. Now, they do have titanium nose pads on this one too, but they've got a little bit of a silicone covering, which I find a little bit different. That is something I've seen her do on a few of the other frames. It's interesting. So as far as sizing, you know, this one, measurement wise is 57-17, so nothing really huge or really small. And as you can see, fits pretty good on my face. As 50-20 is what I wear in my regular ophthalmic glasses, and it's pretty well centered on the face. As far as the width of it, pretty close to my face. This one just a hair wider, but I'm not entirely sure that it's wider because it's wider, that it's just that it falls right here at my cheekbones at the widest point. So it's interesting in that regard, but at any rate, what you really want to know is about this frame, not the fit of it. And that is something, so as you can see on the frames, you get this very intricate detailing all the way around the rim of the frame, and we're not getting great cooperation here. There you go, a little bit better there. So that is basically the AKK logo is coined and repeated all the way around the rim of the frame. Just very nice attention to detail there. And as for the mounting at the bridge, very, very clean and seamless, which I like to see. And the really cool part to these, they do come with Carl Zeiss lenses from the factory. So even if you're not putting your own lenses in here, you get really good optics. It's unusual to see that with a lot of other designers. This is how she does it. Things are really at the top level of their game. Now the finish on this, you'll notice I said was titanium for the base frame. So these are 24 karat dipped, which gives you that nice crisp yellow luster, and it really shows off nicely on the face. What's nice with this one, now I mentioned this one's really cool because it has kind of that gold and black contrast going on. And I've actually got a client, we're doing a set of yellow lenses to really amp up that trim ring, but it comes in a few different color options. So you've got the yellow gold like this with that black acetate inner trim ring. You can also get the yellow gold without that black inner trim ring. And I want to say the other color was a silver or a rose gold. I don't remember which, I'll have to check on that. Well, you can go look, either way. Either way, it is an absolutely stunning frame, incredibly lightweight, really feels good on, looks nice on the face, and here we go. Let's just do one of these here so you can see how nice and clean the lines on this really are and how messed up my hair really is today. But I just think it's a very cool, classy, kind of edgy, but not way over the top, which is a little bit unusual for her. Most of her frames are very bold, very in your face. So we've got this one and we've got White Moon that are a little bit more basic in styling. Nothing too crazy, nothing really, really weird, but yeah, still classy, still pretty. I like fun and crazy stuff, so obviously I'm attracted to her line for that kind of unique exoticness. Now this is the one that is exotic, but it's still very, very daily wearable. You know, it doesn't have to be for a specific outing or a specific task. I could put these on and sit here and stare at everybody all day, and I would probably still get some strange looks because I am in the middle of a mall and it is very dark in the halls here. But hey, I like getting weird looks anyway. I wear a lime green frame all the time, which, as I'm told, is actually quite good on me, especially with the blues I always wear. Don't be afraid of cool, bright, and different. Make your own way is what I am saying here. And frames like this, oh, that's interesting. That's actually... She needs to make this upside down. That'll be the cool upside down frame we can all look at and drool over. And I haven't had caffeine today, so I'm a little more all over the place than usual. That's the opposite of what you would expect, right? Anyways, that's what I've got today. We have talked about Le Dude, one of the more subtle but still very unique and cool frames by Anna-Karin Karlsson. If you're interested in that frame or anything else in her collection or anything else really cool that you've seen here in the background, all of that's in the comments down below, or not the comments, the links, the description area where the place and the things and the stuff are at my shop, preferably, of course. Now, if this video helps you out, if you're interested in cool and exotic frames like this, let me know down in the comments below. I'll get my hands on some more fun stuff. I know we've got more stuff coming from her later this year, which I'm excited about. That's more fun stuff. We'll get to that next time, though. On that note, I will see you guys next time.